Hello, I'm Luis E. Delgado, a team member of Group BI. Our project is called Course Catalog Health Assessments. Let's proceed with the group presentation. Our members are Sushit Dulgandhi, which is currently in India, Tianling Liu in New York, Travis Sorrell in Florida, and myself, I'm in Virginia. Our key stakeholders are our business owners from the university, business managers, customers, which is the students, business analysts, business specialists, and the project manager. Our problem statement. Since the growth of the distributed learning system and technology innovation at Syracuse University, there is a need for health assessments for the course catalog. The university requires a trend analysis for the number of enrollment counts and a number of drop counts for a distinctive class offered by the university. A little bit about our background and project objective. Many factors contribute to the attrition rate of students dropping class and to highly demanded classes as well. Factors considered are time management, self-determination, and of course, the course design for optimal learning experience. Our project objective. The objective of this project is to provide a count of enrollments and the drops for distinctive classes of a course in a particular academic term to the university. The end state is to provide a valuable information to the university staff in order to make a business decision to either improve services, drop or add courses from the course catalog, or just simply continue doing what you're doing now. Our project initiative and descriptions. This project initiative is to satisfy a class analysis study requested by the university to look at trends moving forward. The project is aligned with the academic goals placed by the university and staff. Our scope is to provide a staff with the ability to analyze data with queries to provide key performance indicators and provide trends and opportunities for a business analyst. The project must conduct predictive modeling that produces scorecards, dashboards, or modeling outcomes for the university staff. Facts and assumption. 3 facts. Provide a count of the enrollment and drops for the particular class of a course in a particular academic term for the university. 2. Given the data stores by the university to query course metrics. And 3. Provide class data information to the university administration. Our assumptions. We have 3. The university is concerned with the drop rate increase of certain courses. 2. University leaders will make a business decision based on the information provided by the BA data. And last, we say that there are 3 business cases that could be proposed to the university. 1. Improve the course catalog. 2. Add drop courses as you see fit to the course catalog. And 3. Simply don't do anything, no change. Keep what you have right now. Those are the 3 options.
Hi, my name is Suchit and I'm going to explain the ETL process we have used for a group project. This is the high-level source to target map. We have used external sources database for our source database for our source tables, date dimension, academic terms, class sections, and enrollment events. We have used the group BI stage database as a staging database with the corresponding 4 staging tables for the 4 source tables. We have used the group BI DW database for the 3 dimension tables, date, academic term, class sections, and 1 fact table registration activity. The corresponding star schema diagram is as shown here. As you can see, the fact registration activity fact table has 3 foreign keys corresponding to each dimension table. Now this is the stage registration activity package, which will populate the data from the source table into the staging tables, and this is the package DW registration activity, which will populate the data from the staging tables into the dimension tables and the fact. Now this is the control flow for the stage registration activity package, which will populate the data into the staging tables as depicted by the 4 data flow tasks. Similarly, this is the control flow for the DW registration activity package, which will populate the data from the staging table into the dimension tables and the fact table as corresponded by the 4 data flow tasks packages to see if it goes through well. We can see that the populating of the staging tables has been done successfully. Similarly, we can see that the populating of the data from the staging table into the dimension and the fact table has been done successfully. Now I will verify if the data has been populated correctly into the staging tables. As you can see, the stage date has been populated correctly. I will see the stage academic term table. It has been also populated correctly. Stage class section, yes, correctly. Similarly, stage registration activity, it also has been populated correct. Now we'll see if the external sources dim data has been populated correctly. Yes, it has been populated correctly. So has dim academic term dimension table. Similarly, the dim class section dimension table, and lastly, we'll see if the fact registration activity has been populated correctly. Yes, we can see the count for dropped class cancelled for the particular class section key, which is -1, which indicates that this class is not present in the class sections dimension table, but the class number is 21692 and the academic term is key is 8, and this depicts the date when the particular ETL job was run. Thank you.
Everyone, this is Travis with the Business Intelligence portion of the group project. First thing that we have coming up that I have on here are the MOLAP term dimensions. The first one is academic term dimension. From the data source, I was able to pick out the key attributes that I wanted to pull out from there, and from there I was able to create my hierarchies for the academic term. Next one that we have is the class section dimension. Same thing there, from the data source, pulled out the attributes, and from the attributes, configuring those and naming those to how I want them and how I want them to be pulled, and then developing the hierarchy for class section. Third is the MOLAP date dimensions. Same for that as went for the first two. Next, once I had my dimensions built, my hierarchies built, I was able to construct my cube. You can see the diagram how my three dimensions are all flow from the fact registration activity list that Sushit built earlier. Following the cube structure build, I went into the KPI build. I built a new KPI and then was able to go into the expression and create my expression that I wanted to pull into the Excel Power Table and Power View. The next one you'll be able to see is the data that I was able to build and compile inside of the Excel document. What you're seeing right here is the raw data before it goes into Power View. In this raw data, you're able to add in its filter, so you can filter all the data by academic year and location as well. Last and not least is the nice view of everything. I went with a bar chart, so you can get a good glimpse of all the classes on the bottom from 2000 all the way up to the current term. The red represents the total number of students that enrolled in those classes, and the blue represents the number of students who dropped those courses. That's all I have from the business intelligence portion. Thank you very much.